You have to learn how to relate and associate and listen and lead and steer a conversation and not lie. It's people skills. All right, let's check out this video today. It popped up in my feed last night, and I have a feeling this is just going to be absolutely priceless. I'm Dominic Izzo, and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Bull of MLM Network Marketing Warfare. Click that like button, click that subscribe button, comment in this comment section below. Let me know what your thoughts are, what you want to see in future videos, and where that we can offer value to you in this channel. All right, so this video came up last night. I took a look at it for about 10 seconds. I went, all right, let me address this tomorrow, after I've had my coffee and kind of what I can get a feel for this, because I don't want to, it was like 11 o'clock at night. I didn't want to look at this video, get all pissed off and be like, shit, I want to do a blind reaction now. So I'm going to watch this with you in real time, and I'm going to check this out and see what her value is, and we're going to critique this together. So let's check it out, and let's see if it offers any value to the network marketing industry.
So you want to get to six figures. Well, there's a new way of building today in network marketing. And it's not, let me tell you what it's not. It is not hunting down people at malls. It's not chasing down your waiter at the restaurant. It's not spending, tons of time on social media, sending out all these spammy messages. They usually start with, hey girl, you probably have got some of those. It is not all of that, but there is a new way to get to six figures. And it is a system that allows you to do business in really a fraction of the time. That helps you cut out a lot of the...
Really? There's a way that I can cut out doing all that work, and a fraction of the time I can get to six figures? Oh my gosh, tell me about this, please.
Mundane tasks that you do over and over and over again that are really just not very leveraged anyway. And it's a system we use in our business called the social funnel. And after building an 8-figure business, I tell you what, out of all the things that I've seen, this hands down is the one thing that transformed my business. And
why is it that the people with the 8-figure businesses can't afford the right audio? They always got it. I mean, why is there so much echoing in your background? Go talk to somebody about a lavalier mic, for the love of God, if you have 8 figures.
Really, I'll tell you why. It allows you to really rock recruiting like never before. You get way more done in a fraction of the time. Plus, it positions you to use automation to do a lot of the heavy lifting for you so that you can, have a team that duplicates and really be positioned to attract leaders and influencers that would want to join you in the marketplace. And
all right, just continue.
So, after doing millions and millions of dollars, not just for ourselves, but our students have as well, we have people coming to us all the time like, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I hate that disingenuous shit. Oh, I've got people all the time asking me in my DMs. I used to do that stuff too. It's like, no, you don't. You have maybe 3 or 4. But maybe she has all the time. I don't know.
And I'm like, okay, I put together a training. It is here. It is now. And we're actually going to be taking off in the next little bit.
Yeah.
So I would love to invite you. It is 45 minutes. We are going to be hardcore, getting into the details. There is...
So far, 1 minute and 31 seconds have gone by, and I've heard nothing other than excitement and hype and sensationalism, and you don't have to. So apparently to get to 8 figures, first it was 6 figures, but now it's 8 figures because you got to 8 figures. So again, in order to do that, I don't have to talk to anybody. I don't have to do the typical mundane things of like the stuff you're supposed to do every single day, right? I don't have to do, I can get to 6 figures, 8 figures. This is all hype and emotionalism. 91 seconds so far.
Nothing to buy at the end of this training. It is just pure value. So I hope you can appreciate that, and I look forward to seeing you there. So grab your spot and get registered, and I will see you on the flip side of the training.
Click here to register and grab your spot for our 6 Figures in 90 Days masterclass that's going to be starting here soon.
That's it? That's it. That's it? There's no content whatsoever. Victorious networker, 89 subscribers, no content on this channel. Don't even know who this woman's name. Free training, click on it. ClickFunnels. Yeah. All right, let's break this down again, and I'll just critique where The emotion is lied and where I think this is garbage.
So you want to get to six figures. Well, there's a new
There's the hook. Clearly, if you're watching this video, you're in desperation, and she's going to hit on that pain point of six figures. Notice how she doesn't say 7 or 8 figures off the bat, because that's too unrealistic. So they got to get you in with that medium. Well, 50 grand a year, maybe that clearly is not successful in network marketing. But man, could you imagine if your household, if like you got a full-time income earner who does a job, and then you're doing this and you're bringing in an additional $50,000 a year? I don't think that too many people would have a problem with that. And if we stopped moving the goalpost in network marketing and label what success is, and success is only if you make 7 or 8 figures a year. No, you know what? Network marketing success is if you wind up profiting more than you're spending. If you're spending money in social media ads, great. If you have that reoccurring cost every month from your business where you have to buy product, and at the end of the year, you leverage your tax laws and you make $1 more than what you spent, yeah, technically, you profited. You get free product when you look at it that way, and you're going to develop your business skills more, but you're in the black at that point. So you have to set your boundaries in the beginning for business. In the beginning, you have to realistically, if you make a couple $100 extra a month in network marketing, you're succeeding. Start there.
way of building today in network marketing. And it's not, let me tell you what it's not. It is
There's a new way of building, clearly, because if it's a 97% failure rate in this industry because people quit, that's why. Look at all the anti-MLM people out there. They quit. Even the ones who were successful. I just made so much money. I made it to the top of my company. I was at the top, but then it was a scam and I just couldn't handle the pressure. And now I'm an anti-MLM network marketer channel. It's like, holy shit, dude, you made money. You couldn't handle, this business is sales and it's pressuring. So you're trying to get people to avoid the pain of doing it the way that most people can't do, which is learning how to fucking talk to people. You have to learn how to relate and associate and listen and lead and steer a conversation and not lie. It's people skills. Holy shit.
not hunting down people at malls. It's not chasing down your waiter at the restaurant. It's not spending, tons of time on social media, sending out all these spammy.
So far, it's not talking to strangers, not being on social media. Holy shit. How do you run an online business if you're not talking to new people and you're not, you're not doing on social media posts? Wow, that sounds like, I don't have to do a fucking thing.
Messages, they usually start with, hey girl, you probably have got some of those.
Yeah, and I teach about changing the opening for that. It's, be direct. Hey, listen, I want to pitch you on my business. Are you open to hearing about it? Instead, hey girl, hey, listen, I see you're following me. I appreciate your time. I want to have a conversation. I'd like to talk business about this with you.
It is not all of that, but there is a new way to get to six figures, and it is a system that allows
Stop reinventing the wheel.
you to do business in really a fraction of the time. That helps you cut out a lot of the mundane tasks that you do over and over and over again that are really just not very leveraged anyway. And it's a system we use in our business called the social funnel. And after building an 8-figure
Yeah, click funnels. Now it's a new term for social funnel, click funnel, all this kind of stuff. You're gonna get a fraction of the time, but it's gonna not be duplicatable, and because it's not rooted, right? It's getting laid, one night stand versus cultivating a relationship, and it's as simple as that. If you truly want success in this business, stop with this horse shit, this hype, this upbeat music. Why are you doing this video in your hallway, for the love of God? I mean, at least get a green screen up and make it look like it's an office or something. But I'm not a fan of this garbage at all. Again, she doesn't offer any value at all. You go to her YouTube channel, she's got no fucking content. Why is she not offering any content for free that gives you an insight to the struggle that she got there? Because if she got to 8 figures, tell me about the first several years where this business fucked up. So that's what I want to hear. I want to hear the overcoming objections, the obstacles that these people had, because business is not cut and dry. I can't stand this garbage. This is horse shit. This really needs to go in the garbage. If you see this stuff and you're doing this network marketing, get out. Tired of this garbage. Don't do it at all. Guys, don't do that shit. That makes network marketing look horrible. You're taking out all the skill development from what really is essential. You want to recruit, you have to learn how to talk to people. You want to learn how to provide value. If you're just one of thousands of people who click through a funnel, hoping that out of those thousands, maybe 10 will wind up joining the business. Of course, out of 10 of those, 9 are going to say, I didn't do anything from it. It's a pyramid scam, and you're perpetuating the shit over and over and over again. Then do this. That's great. Do this. Don't associate with me. I want no fucking part of this stuff. You have to learn to talk to people. It blows me away how Dexter Yeager, who is the single greatest network marketer in the history of this industry, came from a time when there was no click funnel. There was just simple, pure conversation. Learn how to talk to people. Stop this garbage. Don't do this bullshit. The click funnels, do they work? I'm sure they do. I'm sure they do. I don't get involved with it because, again, I don't know what the fuck did she wind up advocating? It's excitement and it's bougie and it's this and it's that. What was the value that she offered you? That you don't have to do, don't have to do this, don't have to do this, but what do you have to do? Right? Tell me what has to be done. I will tell you this: in the network marketing industry, there's only 4 things you have to do. Contact people, invite them to see a presentation, follow up with them, and then talk about what value they saw. Contact, invite, show the plan, follow up, right? That's all it is. End of story. So the only way you're going to wind up doing that is by actually getting off your dead ass and picking up the phone and having conversations with people or talk to them in person. Stop trying to reinvent the wheel. The most successful network marketers out there, the ones who didn't quit after 3 weeks of this stuff and then start their own YouTube channel and become an expert in the anti-MLM field, are the ones who took the time to understand what the business is. It's direct sales. It's third-person word of mouth. It's marketing. It's offering value. It is selling. It's recruiting. Once you understand that, you have to learn what value do you give in a conversation to meet someone's needs, and you can only do that by having a conversation with that person and not being done via fucking ClickFunnels. Stop it. You're just fueling the fire for anti-MLM, and it's garbage. In my opinion, don't do that shit. You want to learn how to be successful in network marketing? Go become a bartender, a waiter, a waitress, a police officer, a car salesman, a teacher, somebody who is in the field of dealing with people and has to cultivate influence. Hope that makes sense and hope that has value. Click that button down below, subscribe to this channel, comment in the comment section. Let me know what your thoughts are. And as always, bring integrity to your damn business or just get out. See you guys in the next video.